Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use a retirement calculator through Excel. It just gives you a great visualization to see potentially where your future value of all of your investments or retirement portfolio will be in the future. It's actually pretty straightforward to get set up. You're going to want a cell for your beginning value, any additional contributions that you're going to make monthly or yearly, the interest rate that you expect to make compounded year over year during your time of investing in the market, how many years you have to compound, and the number of compound periods per year. So basically, you can either do one time a year or one per month for 12 months. And this will give you the outcome of your future value. So basically, I have this set up. Let's say you're starting with nothing and your contributions are $500 a month. That's why we're doing the number of compound periods per year as 12. And let's just say you're at the beginning of your work career and you're going to work for 30 years and you expect to make an interest rate of 10% a year on average over the life of those 30 years, which I believe is around the S&P 500 average return. It actually may be a little bit more, but for this video, we're just going to keep it simple, keep it around 10%. And basically, this is the formula that you're going to use. And the great thing about Excel, just like many of the other formulas that are built into Excel, this one called FV Future Value is already programmed for you. So you type FV and it pops up what you need to enter for the formula. So your rate. Obviously, your rate is going to be D7, your 10%. But remember, we're compounding this monthly because we're doing a contribution of $500 a month. So you have to divide that by the number of compound periods per year, D9. Next, the number of periods. We're doing 30 years, but we're also doing it, remember, by month. So we have to do the number of periods per year, D8 multiplied by D9. The payment, PMT, and you want to do a negative because we're doing the future value. If you don't put the negative, the outcome of it is actually going to be represented as a negative figure. So that you're going to select D6, put a negative sign in front of it, and then any present value. So right now we're just saying we're starting with a clean slate of $0. And then the type is going to be, are we compounding at the beginning of the period or the end of the period? So let's just say at the beginning of every month we're investing $500. So we're going to put a number 1. And then you hit enter, automatically calculates for you. And the great thing with this, you can fool around with these numbers now. Just don't touch the formula, and you can basically plug in anything going on in your personal finances to get an estimate of the future value of your portfolio, basically. You can find a lot of these online, or you can just locally store it on your laptop or computer and just use this as a reference whenever you need it. It's a great little tool just to show you that, look, just $500 a month, if you're on a budget, hopefully you can squeeze out $500. Maybe it's a little bit less. Some people, hey, maybe it's even more than you think. Sometimes you can squeeze out even more than $500 a month, which would give you even more at the end of your 30 years. Let's say you had $1,000 going in. You're literally doubling your money almost, 2.2 million. Let's say you had $400 a month. You still have $900,000 at the end of those 30 years. That would be great to have. And you basically live off the interest of that $900,000 for retirement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button, and I hope to see you guys soon with another video.